International School presents
Your goal, it should be Islamic. It should be according to the teachings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
The Generation Next.
In the Quran, Allah says, He is Allah, the one and only. We belong to Allah and to Him is our return. Remember the brave. Remember that.
Their purpose, their vision, their goal.
Islam teaches us peace and we should implement it practically in our lives. We have the Deen al-Haq with us, the religion of truth.
This is the deen from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Watch presentations by these young orators of Islamic International School. Haiqa Gazdar, Umaid Armar, Zuha Qureshi, Kaab Gazdar, Hiba Sayyad, Ghazi Chauhan, Fatima Kodia, Saad Siddiqui, Fahima Sheikh, and Fariq Naik.
The last and final instruction manual for us human beings, it is the glorious Quran. The do's and don'ts are mentioned here.
All Generation Next Dais with Iman, Taqwa and striving enshrined in their oratory and dynamism in Potential Generation. Coming soon only on Peace TV.